name is I'm from Kawasaki, Germany. I take care on the race activities in Germany. I'm also responsible for the ZX4 RR Cup, which is this year in the second year. We are a proud partner of Motul. This year, all riders use Motul NGEN 7. We try to prove if the sustainable oil has also the same performance like other oils. Therefore, we take a lot of analysis besides the laboratory. This way, we combine top-level racing with sustainable goals for the future.
So now we had our last session for today. The bike works perfectly. The engine is working like at the beginning of the season.
We have here now available your lab results from the oil sample we have taken in Assen from your bike. There is no elevated value for oxidation. Oxidation represents the aging of the lubricant, which is accelerated at very high temperatures. The oil condition overall is perfect.
We are very happy how the relationship between Motul and Kawasaki was in the past, is in the present, and will be in the future.